Okay, YouTube, today is the 15th of October, first snowfall of the year, and we're going to be starting up the 1980 Chevy K10 with a 4Bt Cummins in it. So, let's see what temperature it is right now. Okay, it's showing it is 22 degrees out. It got pretty cold last night. So, the first thing I gotta do is connect the battery. Battery drains on it, so I'll go ahead and show you guys the engine. For those of you guys who haven't seen it, which you guys will probably be seeing this video before the video of me actually getting the truck. So the battery's all connected. I'm gonna go ahead and get in it and try starting it. Well, it finally started. We're gonna let it warm up for a bit. Show you the interior. So it is a 4-speed. Not in bad shape at all. We'll go ahead and let it run for a couple minutes. I'll rev it up for you guys. Cold. Anyways, YouTube, there you guys go. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and just let everybody know Redneck Man 454 is back and making videos. I've got a backlog of videos I'm going to be uploading here shortly, so make sure to, pound that subscribe button and pound that like button, and there's going to be a lot more going on around here. You guys still haven't seen this truck yet. Can anybody say Cummins swap?